sort of like looked out there and it was like a tsunami. Like it wasn't even raining. It was just sprinkling and it just poured through, and we dropped the phone and everyone sprinted out to get the horses, and by the time we were in the paddock it was like chest deep. And by the time we got the horses back, it was in the house, and it's just, we didn't have time to put anything up. Everything sort of got wet. We've put it up since, but yeah, we've got a mattress upstairs and that's about it.
Many places welcome the rain, and it is a blessing in terms of the drought that they've been experiencing. But what we'll see again over the next few days is further rains up and down, particularly the east coast. And with that, we just want to make sure that people heed the warnings, that they make good choices and decisions.
Be careful, hey?
Both cars, a couple of motorbikes, everything downstairs basically, tools, furniture, all my son's school clothes, books, well, everything's gone.